What if your job disappears within the next 10 years? This is not a scene from a science fiction movie. It is a reality we must confront right now. Artificial intelligence is reshaping our world, changing the very fabric of our economy and our lives. It is moving faster and with more force than any technological revolution in human history. The comfortable certainties of a career, of a profession you spent years mastering, are beginning to dissolve. The question is no longer if this change will happen, but how profound its impact will be on you, your family, your future. This technology is a silent architect, building a new world while we sleep. It learns, it adapts, and it evolves at an exponential rate. In boardrooms and laboratories across the globe, decisions are being made that will redefine the nature of work itself. Some careers, ones that have been stable for generations, may simply vanish. They will become relics of a bygone era, like the switchboard operator or the lamplighter. Yet, in this crucible of disruption, other roles will be forged. New opportunities, previously unimaginable, will emerge. Some jobs will become more valuable, more human, and more creative than ever before. The central question that haunts our modern age is simple, yet deeply personal. Will a machine, a line of code, an algorithm, replace you? This documentary will not offer you easy answers or false reassurances. Instead, we will confront the truth about the future of work. We will navigate the complex landscape of this technological upheaval, separating the hype from the reality. We stand at a crossroads. One path leads to obsolescence. The other path, however, leads to adaptation and opportunity. It is a path that requires courage, foresight, and a willingness to embrace change. This is not just a story about technology. It is a story about human resilience. The future is arriving, whether we are ready for it or not. To understand what is coming, we must first understand what is already here. Our journey begins with the AI revolution itself. We will explore how this powerful technology is already transforming entire industries. We will demystify artificial intelligence, show how it learns, and why adoption is so rapid. We'll reveal the economic incentives driving this change, why companies invest billions to integrate AI across operations. This is the new industrial revolution, its engines powered by data and algorithms. Next, we step into the heart of the anxiety. We will identify the jobs most at risk. Customer service, data entry, transportation, manufacturing. We'll explain exactly why they're vulnerable. This is not fear-mongering, it's a realistic assessment. But it's not only loss. For every door that closes, another opens. AI engineers, robotics technicians, AI business consultants, who are building this new world. We'll show what these jobs entail and why creativity, strategy, and empathy remain essential. This is the shift from anxiety to agency, from helplessness to empowerment. Finally, a practical roadmap. Actions to future-proof your career. Learn AI tools, build digital skills, foster continuous adaptation. We'll end with a clear vision of work in 2035. Humans and AI collaborating in powerful new ways. This documentary is your guide to navigating this economic transformation. The first wave of AI-driven job displacement is already crashing upon the shores of two of the largest employment sectors, customer service and data entry. These roles employ millions and are defined by repetition and predictable processes. They can operate 24/7, speak multiple languages flawlessly. A human can handle one conversation at a time, one AI can manage thousands. The role of the data entry clerk is also facing extinction. Today, AI perform these tasks with lightning speed and near-perfect accuracy. Value is shifting to skills AI can't replicate. Complex problem-solving, emotional intelligence, strategic thinking. The profession of driving is more than just a job. For millions, it is a cornerstone of their identity. But now, the industry is on a collision course with autonomous vehicles. It can run around the clock. It removes the cost of a driver's salary, benefits, and the need to comply with driving hours regulations. The same tech will reshape urban mobility. Ride-sharing companies are testing autonomous taxi fleets, Local delivery services are testing smaller autonomous robots and drones. Early change will likely be gradual. Expect autonomous trucks on dedicated highway corridors, with humans handling the complex last miles in cities. The manufacturing sector has been at the center of automation for over a century, but what is happening now is a different order of magnitude. The new generation of manufacturing robots, infused with artificial intelligence, can pick and place objects of varying shapes and sizes from a disorganized bin. In these advanced facilities, AI acts as the central nervous system. It can predict when a piece of equipment is about to fail and schedule maintenance preemptively. The factory worker of the future is not someone who turns a wrench, but someone who can program the robot that turns the wrench. As the old world of work recedes, a new one is being built. At the very heart of this construction are the architects of intelligence, the AI engineers. They design, build, and train artificial intelligence systems. Their work blends computer science, advanced mathematics, and creative problem solving. Building AI requires judgment, domain expertise, and deep contextual understanding. Human oversight remains essential. As companies rush to adopt AI, a new and vital role has emerged: the AI business consultant. They act as a bridge between the technical world and the practical world of business leaders. Their job is to identify opportunities where AI can solve real-world business problems, ensuring the massive investment in AI delivers a real return. Alongside the strategist, another critical role is rising: the AI ethicist. Their role is to be the conscience of the AI revolution, embedding human values directly into the code. The AI healthcare specialist leverage machine learning to analyze patient data, predict disease outbreaks, and personalize treatment plans. Robotics technicians maintain the sophisticated robotic systems that assist in surgery, aid in physical rehabilitation, and help the elderly live more independently. AI cybersecurity experts are on the front lines of a new kind of warfare. They use AI as their primary weapon to detect and neutralize threats in milliseconds. The journey from anxiety to agency begins with a single, manageable step: learning to use the tools. Stop being intimidated by these tools. Start experimenting with them. This is not about becoming a programmer. It is about becoming a skilled user. Build familiarity and confidence. Discover their strengths. Discover their limitations. Learn to write effective prompts. The next is to strengthen your fundamental digital skills. First, embrace data literacy. Learn to look at a set of data and see the story it tells. Next, consider learning the absolute basics of coding. The goal is to understand how software is built and to speak the language of machines. Finally, familiarize yourself with cloud computing. Most AI applications run on the cloud. This knowledge isn't just for IT professionals. It's essential for anyone working in a modern business. The most critical skill for the future is the mindset of adaptability and the commitment to becoming a lifelong learner. That era is over. Instead of asking, "Will this machine replace me?" ask, "How can I use this machine to do my job better?" Cultivate this mindset through small, consistent habits. These activities compound over time, building a vast reserve of knowledge and keeping your skills sharp. Let us cast our gaze forward to the world of 2035. It will be a world defined by a powerful new partnership, a symbiosis between human intelligence and artificial intelligence. The focus of human work will shift decisively from execution to intention, from process to purpose. The nature of our daily work will be more creative, more strategic, and more interpersonal. The future of work in 2035 will, in many ways, allow us to be more human. It will be a world where our unique abilities, our empathy, our creativity, our judgment, and our wisdom are the very engine of the global economy. The future is not something that simply happens to you. It is something you build day by day. The choice between obsolescence and opportunity is yours to make. The decision to learn a new skill, to experiment with a new tool, to step outside your comfort zone, these are the acts that build resilience. Artificial intelligence will change the world, but people who learn and adapt will continue to find new opportunities. The future belongs to those who are ready for change. So subscribe for more documentaries about AI, business, technology, and the future of wealth.